Hello everyone, my name is Tao Yang. I'm a System Center Cloud and Data Center Management MVP. Today I'd like to briefly show you a SMA integration module that I have been working on over the last 6 months. I've named this module OpsMgrExtended. As the name suggests, it extends the existing OpsManager PowerShell module by directly interacting with OpsManager SDKs. Currently, it contains 29 functions, as you can see on the screen here. Um, these 29 functions perform tasks range from normal admin tasks and management pack creations, and even some more advanced authoring capabilities. In this short demo, I will firstly demonstrate how I can use SharePoint 2013 as a user portal to automate the creation of a blank unsealed management pack. After the management pack is created, I will then use the same portal to create a performance monitor that is only targeted to a specific group of servers. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, let's go to my SharePoint site. I have created a list for the new management pack creation requests. This is the previous one I've created before. Let's just delete it. So the name is going to the name of the management pack is going to be called TYNG Yang SMA Automation Demo Performance Monitor Management Pack, and this is my lab SCOM environment. As you can see, this management pack currently doesn't exist. So now let's fill out the request. So the management pack name is the internal name of this management pack, and then I'll give the display name. Display name is what you see from the operations console, and I'll give a description, and the management pack version is going to be 0.0.0.1, and I click on save. So what's happening behind the scene is I have orchestrated Runbook which monitors this list, and when there's a new item added, it's going to kick off the SMA Runbook. As you can see, the SMA Runbook is starting now. This will just take a while for the Runbook to execute. I'm going to pause the video now and resume when the job is finished. Okay, the job is finished. And if I go back to the list and refresh it, SMA Runbook writes a return message back directly to this SharePoint list item, and the return message is MP created. Now let's go back to my SCOM management group. Let me refresh it. And sometimes I have to close the console, and because in my SCOM console shortcut I've put in /clear cache at the end. So every time I start the console, it's going to clear the cache to make sure that I get the most updated information from SCOM. Okay, so before I filled out this request, the management pack count was 277. Now it's gone up to 278, and the management pack is created. So now let's export the management pack, and then let's have a look. As you can see, this is just a blank management pack without any of other any folders and other junks that if you create it from the operations console itself, it's going to going to also create a folder and other items. But the way I've written the function in my module is just absolutely keep it minimum. So this is all. This is the all it's contained in the management pack. Just a blank management pack. Now let's go back to the request page and start our my second demo, which is to create a performance monitor targeting only to a group of servers. Okay, this is the existing one. Let me delete it. Okay, so the monitor name is going to be called memory page fault per second monitor, and give a display name. The counter name is page fault per second, and object name is memory. Instance name I'll leave it blank, so which is going to be all instances, and the threshold I'll give it just a random number 150. And so unhealthy condition is when it's over the threshold, then the monitor is going to become unhealthy. And unhealthy state, let me just change it to error. And I don't want this to go to all Windows servers. I'm only interested in the SQL servers. So let me save it. Now, same as the previous demo, there's also a orchestrator runbook which monitors this list, this particular list here, and it's going to execute. It's going to detect, okay, there's a new item added, and then it's going to kick off the SMA runbook. So the SMA runbook, see, it's already running. It's let's just take a look. So I've hard-coded the management pack where this monitor is going to be saved. This is the same management pack that I've just created from the first demo, and so I've selected all SQL servers as the scope. So because it didn't go to all Windows servers, so I'm only interested in SQL servers. So not only is going to create this monitor, it's also going to set it disabled by default, and also create an override to this particular group which I created earlier, and then enable this monitor only to this group via overrides. Let's go back to the job. It's completed. Okay, so if it's completed, I should see a return message here. It says monitor created. Let me just export it again. Yep, override it. Hopefully I don't have to refresh the console to see. Here we go. So this is the unit monitor. It's just created by the Runbook and the module. And then not only it created the unit monitor, which is this section here, it also created override to enable this monitor only to this specific group, and of course by default this monitor is disabled. So now if I go to the authoring pane, as you can see, this monitor has been created. And the ways you can also see everything from the GUI interface as well, and override. The override is here created. Okay, this is all I'm going to be showing you today. I am presenting in the Microsoft MVP Community Camp Day in Melbourne on Friday 30th of January 2015. And my topic is automating SCOM tasks using SMA. So when I'm talking about automating SCOM tasks, I'm not really talking about automating SCOM administrative tasks such as approving agents, setting agents to remote manageable, etc., because that's already been done. There's nothing to talk about. So I will be going into much more details on how we can utilize this SMA integration module OpsMgrExtended to help you as a SCOM administrator, to help you with your daily lives, on how you can automate some of the repetitive tasks like monitors or rules creations, so you can spend your valuable time on more advanced SCOM authoring tasks. So if you're based in Melbourne, I'd like to invite you to come join us on this free event. Hopefully I'll see you next Friday. Thank you. Bye.